it may not be tomorrow that I'm putting up this video, but this Sunday I think that's the 5th of January. And so I got all these green things that I have here that I want to see what I can make with them. So we're going to be working together. Let's see what I'm going to come up with. Okay, so let's begin. First, I have this band that I've made. I intend to just tie it around my head like that so that I would monitor the tightness. So it's going to be a band. So let me just tell you what the measurement is. So this is 32 inches by 6, because this 3 times 2 is 6, so you have to make it like 7 so that by the time you sew it becomes 6. So that's what we have here, 32 by 6. Let's say 32 by 7 as I said before. Then this, I'm going to be cutting this just 1 yard. 1 yard, that's 36 inches. Okay? So let me measure that. Okay, it's 36. And with my favorite cutter, you still have to do that. So this is your 1.5 millimeter gauge wire. So I'm going to be joining it together here with this thread. Okay. Then I'm going to be covering it with a bias. I would need I think I want to cover it this way, straighten off loop. So we need some threads to help us do that quicker. Hope the table is not too hard to get in. I'm still saying it. Someone remind me to get thinner. Okay. All these are glue stains. Here we go. Instead of pulling it out, it's been cut up. Okay, that's it. So Tata is using scissors to do her. That's a scissors, so she's taking my own scissors now. So this is where I want to do it, not the loop method. So So I'm going to pause so that I will do it all the way around, so that our video is not too long. Picked up my scissors and give her the zigzag. When you leave it to dry a bit, the truth is you won't need what do you call it?